Today is Cici's birthday, and I wanted to do something nice for her, so I decided to draw her. I've got her picture right here. Did you know that she's a Russian blue? Despite the name of her breed, she was not actually born in Russia. Turns out she was born in Belgium. It's a small, tiny little country next to France. They speak 3 languages there: French, Dutch, and German. I'm really lucky she can speak English too. Okay, let's draw her. Let's start with her face. She's angular at the bottom and round at the top. Then the eyes, 2 circles with a little dot in the middle. Then her nose. It points downwards with angular lines. And I make her smile with a wavy line. And now let's do the ears. I start with a little triangle and I extend the line to contour the entire ear. Let's do the same on the other side now. For the body, I start drawing her back, then the back paw and leg, then the front leg next to it, and then the tummy line. Her other front paw is up, so let's copy that. The second back leg is hidden behind her body, so we don't really need to draw it. Now on to the tail. And let's not forget the little moon marking on her hip. And now I'll color her in blue, and notice how the blue inside of her ear is a little bit darker. And since it's her birthday, let's add a birthday hat. I'll color it yellow, just like her moon. There! I think she's really gonna like it. Okay, I'm gonna go give it to her now. See you next time. Bye!